Let's create a Chrome extension in less than 1 minute. First of all, go to your favorite code editor and create a file called manifest.json. It contains important information about the extension and its properties like icon image, name, description, version, etc. Here I am not doing anything extra. I am just giving it a name, a version. And in content script, you pass the files you used, and also in the matches array, you can give specific site name like youtube.com, facebook.com, but I am doing it for all the sites. I did that pattern. Now create a index.js file. I already loaded that file in manifest.json. Now write your JavaScript here. As you can see from the code, it listens for the key click event, and on button click, it plays that audio. You can easily change that audio. Now open your Chrome and go to Chrome//extension tab. Now turn on Developer Tools button and click on Load Unpacked button. After click on the Load Unpacked button, select the folder you wrote your code on. After you select the folder, you won't see this error because I am an idiot. I misspelled the index.js file. So let me just correct that. I gave 2 dots there. Just correct it and retry. You will have your extension ready. Now simply go to any website and go and type something there. You will hear a simple audio on a button click. As you can see, I am simply going to YouTube and I am gonna type a comment. I am simply going to one of my videos and gonna comment. When you stop using it. See, it is working perfectly. So you see how easy it is to create extension. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.